Welcome my dear students for today's class. In this class we are going to discuss the concept of fluid mechanics. In fluid dynamics and mechanics, in this lesson we are going to discuss a concept, fluid thrust. It is one of the concept regarding the fluid. Okay, what is meant by the fluid thrust? Okay, fluid thrust is a normally we know that what is fluid, right? What is meant by fluid? Fluid is a substances that can flow. Fluid is a substances that can flow is known as fluid. Then in fluid there are gases and the liquids, together we call it as fluids. So that what is meant by this fluid thrust means, thrust is a total normal force. Thrust is nothing but a force. Total normal force exerted by the fluid and the fluid at rest on a surface in contact with it. What is meant by it? See, what is meant by thrust? Thrust is nothing but a normal force. Normal force is a force that is perpendicular. Here, see, if it is a fluid is there, if the fluid is in contact with the fluid at rest. See, here the fluid is at rest. The normal force exerted by the fluid at the rest in contact with it. ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಟಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಇಂದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಥ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋದು. Example, see in the pictorial form. See, in this figure, the thrust, if the jet is moving forward in like this, the thrust is in the normal force present. See here, the fluid is in the container. Okay, the jet is moving, the force is exerted in the normal force exerted to move the jet. Thrust is a mechanical force. Thrust is nothing but a mechanical force generated by the, in this figure it is generated by the engine to move the aircraft through the air. The thrust is nothing but a force. Keep it in mind. What is thrust? Thrust is nothing but a force. So that fluid thrust means it is a normal force exerted by the fluid at rest on the surface in contact with it is known as fluid thrust. Got it? Next one is fluid pressure. These are all 2 marks concept. They are asking for 1 or 2 marks. Next one is fluid pressure. These are the terms related to fluid. So what is meant by fluid pressure? We know that what is meant by pressure. What is meant by pressure? Pressure is nothing but force per unit area, right? What is the formula for pressure? Pressure is a force by area. Then what is meant by fluid pressure? Fluid pressure is a pressure due to gravity. What is meant by pressure due to gravity. Pressure due to gravity means the weight of an object. or a material is equal to the force exerted on it. See, weight of an object is equal to force exerted on it, so that an object exerts a downward pressure due to its weight and the force of gravity. The pressure AU exerted is known as fluid pressure. Got it? What is meant by this fluid pressure? Means fluid pressure is a force per unit area. Fluid pressure means pressure due to gravity. Got it? Pressure due to gravity. See, what is meant by fluid thrust means fluid thrust is nothing but a force. It is a total normal force exerted by the fluid. The use SI unit for fluid thrust is Newton. Force ಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ SI unit for fluid thrust is Newton. So that what is meant by this fluid pressure? Fluid pressure, we know the formula for pressure. Pressure is a force by area. In the fluid, what is the force exerted? The force is fluid thrust. So that fluid thrust per unit area. Fluid thrust per unit area is called it as fluid pressure. Got it? What is meant by this fluid pressure means it is the ratio of fluid thrust per area, or the fluid thrust per unit area is called fluid pressure. Okay? Fluid thrust per unit area is nothing but a fluid pressure. Then what is the SI unit of fluid pressure? Pressure ge unit enu? In general, we know the SI unit for pressure. What is the SI unit for pressure? It is Pascal. So what is the SI unit for fluid pressure? Is Pascal. It is also the same. What is the SI unit for fluid pressure? It is Pascal. Or force ಗೆ SI unit, we know that fluid thrust have the unit Newton. Area ಗೆ SI unit meter square, right? The SI unit for force is Newton and the SI unit for area is meter square. Then what is the SI unit for fluid pressure? That is Newton per meter square or Pascal. What is meant by this Pascal? Pascal is nothing but 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per 1 meter square. 1 Newton per 1 meter square is nothing but 1 Pascal. Okay, so these are the concept of fluid thrust and fluid pressure. What is meant by this? They can write the difference between the fluid thrust and the fluid pressure. You must write the definition of this. What is meant by fluid thrust means fluid thrust is a total normal force exerted by the fluid at rest on a surface in contact with it is known as fluid thrust. Then what is meant by the fluid pressure means it is a fluid thrust per unit area. Fluid thrust per unit area is nothing but a fluid pressure. You must know that what is meant by pressure. Pressure is nothing but force by area. Force by area is called pressure. Then what is meant by fluid pressure? Fluid pressure is the fluid thrust per unit area. Here the force is fluid thrust. Fluid thrust is a force. Thrust is nothing but a force. It is a normal force exerted by the fluid at rest on a surface contact with it. Okay. So next, the SI unit for fluid pressure is Newton per meter square. And also pressure due to the fluid pressure is nothing but a pressure due to gravity. It has a downward force. The downward due to the gravity, the pressure is created. So that total weight of the body is nothing but a force exerted. What is the SI unit for fluid pressure is? The SI unit for fluid pressure is 1 Pascal or 1 Newton per meter square. See here, the SI unit for fluid thrust is nothing but Newton, and the SI unit for area is meter square, and so that the SI unit is Newton per meter square. 1 Pascal means 1 Newton per 1 meter square. Okay, next concept is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. What is meant by this atmospheric pressure? It is a pressure created in the atmosphere. So, atmospheric pressure is also known as barometric pressure. Barometric pressure, or it is also known as hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure. So, what is meant by atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is a pressure present in the atmosphere, so that the atmosphere of the earth, it is the pressure within the atmosphere of the earth. Atmosphere of the earth is known as atmospheric pressure, so that in most circumstances atmospheric pressure is closely approximated to the hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure is nothing but it is a pressure caused by the weight of the air. Weight of the air andre is generally atmospheric pressure ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is due to the weight of the earth, weight of the air present in the earth. It is the weight of the air. So the above the measurement point at the sea level, the atmospheric pressure is about 100 kilopascal. 100 kilopascal. See, atmospheric pressure is about at the sea level. At the sea level ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು pressure ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is of about 100 kilopascal. Okay. So what is meant by atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is the pressure on the atmosphere, pressure created on the atmosphere. It is the pressure within the atmosphere of the earth. So that it is also called it as barometric pressure. So what is meant by this barometric? It is a system, or it is an instrument used to measure the atmospheric pressure. That instrument is known as barometer. Barometer, like a thermometer. Thermometer measures the temperature. This barometer measures the pressure. Pressure na measure ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವಂತ instrument ಯಾವುದು? Barometer. What is barometer? Barometer is an instrument used to measure the pressure. So that atmospheric pressure is also known as barometric pressure. See, an example for atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is see the pictorial form. See, in this figure, say it represents the atmospheric pressure. So it is a fluid present in a container. In a tube, if we drag the pressure, if we drag the fluid upside, the liquid is being pushed up the straw. Okay, so the atmospheric present in the outside. This is the pressure created to the fluid. so that if the here in this column the pressure is less than the atmospheric pressure, so there is a gap. Got it? So what is the atmospheric pressure? Means it is the pressure created on the atmosphere, the liquid being pushed up by the straw due to a pressure created. We drag the force, that force is created to the liquid will be pushed towards the straw. Okay, so that one atmospheric pressure is nothing but one atmosphere. The atmospheric pressure is represented as, the value of atmospheric pressure is also represented as 1 torr. Torr is also a unit of pressure, so it is a largest unit, so that 1 torr, that is equal to 1 mercury column. What is this mercury column? See this here, the barometric pressure anta helidvi. What is meant by this barometric pressure? Means, see, the pressure is measured in the barometer. This barometer consists of a mercury. This mercury represents the rise in the mercury represents the pressure created, so that how much pressure in the barometer is represented by the mercury column. Okay, so that 1 torr, that is equal to 1 mercury column. What is the value of atmospheric pressure? Means it is a 1 torr, that is equal to 1 mercury column. Okay. Okay, in this class we have discussed what is the concept of fluid thrust and fluid pressure and atmospheric pressure. What is meant by this fluid thrust? Fluid thrust is nothing but a total normal force exerted by the fluid at rest. If the fluid is present here or in a contact with the container, then the force exerted normally. Imagine normal force is nothing but a perpendicular like this. Okay, the perpendicularly the force exerted is known as the thrust or a fluid thrust. Thrust is nothing but a normal force or a perpendicular force acting on a fluid in contact. Acting on a fluid at rest in the surface, contact with it is known as fluid thrust. The SI unit for fluid thrust is, thrust here is nothing but a normal force. Thrust is nothing but a force. Then the SI unit for force is, we know that is Newton. The SI unit for fluid thrust is Newton. Then what is the definition for fluid thrust? It is a total normal force exerted by the fluid at rest on the surface contact with it. So next concept is fluid pressure. The fluid pressure means, here see, fluid thrust is also depends upon, here I already show you in one example, jet, right? It is a normal force exerted on the, if the thrust in this side, the fluid will be present in the normally in contact with it. Here it is a engine, so that the fluid present here, so that the thrust in the force exerted normally. If the fluid present in this direction, the thrust is in this direction like this. Here it is a fluid, the force exerted normally, the thrust will be in the upwards. Alright, it is a perpendicular. Keep it in mind, total normal force. Normal is nothing but a perpendicular. You know the concept of perpendicular. Perpendicular means it is a, ಇದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪೋಸ್ಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ fluid pressure. The fluid pressure is nothing but a we know the concept of pressure. What is meant by pressure? Pressure is nothing but a force per unit area. Pressure is nothing but force by area. Here we are studying the concept of fluid. The fluid force per area, restricted area, is known as pressure. So what is the fluid force? The fluid force is nothing but a fluid thrust. Here I already told you thrust is nothing but a force. So that fluid thrust per unit area is known as fluid pressure. So that Newton per meter square. The pressure due to the fluid pressure is also known as the pressure due to gravity. The pressure due to gravity is known as fluid pressure. Then the weight of the fluid is nothing but a force exerted, so that the fluid pressure is known as it is the ratio of fluid thrust to the area restricted is known as fluid pressure. Or fluid thrust per unit area is known as fluid pressure. And also the SI unit for fluid pressure is, generally we know the SI unit for pressure. What is the SI unit for pressure? That is Pascal. SI unit. So in general the SI unit for pressure is Pascal. Then in this equation we can derive the SI unit for force is Newton. Then the SI unit for area is meter square. Then what is the SI unit for pressure? SI unit for pressure is Newton per meter square. Then 1 Newton 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per 1 meter square. Okay, 1 Newton per meter square is nothing but a 1 Pascal. And also, so the difference between the fluid thrust and the fluid pressure is, fluid thrust is write down the definition of these two and write the SI unit of these two. So what is the definition of fluid thrust and what is the definition of fluid pressure, and mention the SI unit for both of this that represents the difference between the fluid thrust and the fluid pressure. Okay, next thing is atmospheric pressure. We know that the general atmosphere is nothing but the surface of the earth is created by one layer is known as atmosphere. So what is meant by atmospheric pressure? Means atmospheric pressure is a pressure created on the atmosphere of the earth. So that in sometimes also the atmospheric pressure is also called it as barometric pressure and also hydrostatic pressure. What is meant by barometric pressure? Means it is nothing but a atmospheric pressure. And also hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic means hydro is nothing but a water. Okay, on the surface of the earth, water surface, the pressure created is known as hydrostatic pressure. Keep it in mind, hydrostatic pressure is nothing but a atmospheric pressure. Hydro stands for water. So that barometric pressure and the hydrostatic pressure and the atmospheric pressure all are the one another the same. So that the surface of the earth created is the pressure created on the surface of the earth is known as atmospheric pressure. Next thing is the weight of the atmospheric pressure is caused due to the weight of the air. Air have certain weight, so that the weight of the air causes the pressure known as atmospheric pressure. That is of about 100 kilopascal. 100 kilopascal means at the sea level, it has at the sea level means in the case of sea, at the sea level have the highest atmospheric pressure. Highest atmospheric pressure means it is of about 100 kilopascal. 100 kilopascal, just imagine 1 pascal have the largest pressure, so that 100 kilopascal, kilo is nothing but 100, kilo is nothing but 1000, right? K stands for 1000, so 1000 means 3 zeros, pascal. So just imagine this pressure. It is at the sea level, atmospheric pressure is about 100 kilopascal. It is equivalent to the weight of the 10 cars. Weight of 10 cars. Just imagine what is the weight of a car. So that the pressure is the weight of the 10 cars pressing on square meter crushed by the huge pressure. That pressure is equivalent to this pressure. Okay, andre iga ಒಂದು 10 ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 10 ಕಾರ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ 10 ಕಾರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಏರ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್. That weight, the pressure created on the air is of about 100 kilopascal. Just imagine that value is about weight of the 10 cars. So next we know the example for the how the atmospheric pressure created in the pictorial form. I explained you the pressure in the atmosphere. The pressure in the atmosphere is a atmospheric pressure. So next the atmospheric pressure is measured in terms of a instrument known as barometer. The pressure measured in terms of a instrument, call it as barometer. The pressure created is known as barometric pressure. Just you know the concept of the atmospheric pressure. What is the value of the 1 atmospheric pressure? 1 atmospheric pressure is nothing but a 1 tar. 1 tar anta andre it is of about 1 mercury column. See that the instrument used to measure the pressure is barometer. Barometer is an instrument used to measure the pressure. What is the instrument used to measure the temperature? That is thermometer. The instrument used to measure pressure is barometer. Okay, so that the barometer consists of a metal mercury. That mercury column indicates the pressure. So that mercury column, see, 1 tar that is equal to 1 mercury column. 1 mercury column, see 1, 2, like that the column will be representing. So that 1 tar that is equal to 1 mercury column. Then what is mean by what is the instrument used to measure the pressure is barometer. The pressure is barometer used to, the barometer is an instrument used to measure the pressure, and 1 tar that is equal to 1 mercury column. So these are the concept regarding the fluid dynamics and mechanics. Just make a note on the fluid thrust, fluid pressure and the atmospheric pressure. These are all asking for the 2 marks question. Write a short note on fluid thrust and fluid pressure and atmospheric pressure they can ask, and also mention the SI unit of fluid thrust or pressure anta kelbodu, and also the difference between the fluid thrust, fluid pressure keltare, and atmospheric pressure ಬಗ್ಗೆ write a short note on the atmospheric pressure anta keltare. You must know the basic concepts, the variables on the fluid dynamics and mechanics ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Fluid thrust ಮತ್ತೆ pressure, atmospheric pressures, these are all the basic concept to know the next applied level concept ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಓಕೆ, if you have any doubt regarding this, just ask me while texting and all. So make a short note on this. Okay, just classes complete ನೋಡಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.